Today we are going to discuss another classification, that is on the base of mode or mechanism. So we have already discussed classification on the base of source. So on the base of source we can classify polymer as natural polymers, semi-synthetic polymers and synthetic polymers. So now we are going to discuss the classification on the base of mode or mechanism, that how polymer are formed. So you know that different reaction proceeds by different mechanism. So polymers are formed by different mechanism. As you know, different types of reaction in chemistry. So the polymers are also formed by the chemical reaction, and you know that there are different type of chemical reaction. So such type of reactions are also involved in the polymerization reactions. So on the base or mode of mechanism, polymers are formed by the first addition polymerization, or that is okay, addition polymerization. First type of polymerization, that is found by addition polymerization way. Clear? The second one is condensation polymer, or the polymers which are obtained by the condensation polymerization. So there are two types of polymers. The first one which are formed by the addition polymerization reactions, and the second one by the condensation polymerization reaction. Or you can also classify polymers as addition polymers and condensation polymers. Condensation polymers are also known as step growth polymers. Clear? So now I want to differentiate between addition polymer and condensation polymer. So first I want to discuss addition polymer. So there are so many classifications, so many types, so many other subclasses of addition polymerization, that is, for example, anionic, cationic, radical way. So inshallah we will discuss detail of addition polymerization in the next coming lecture. So now I want to differentiate between addition polymers and condensation polymers. So I want to share some properties of the addition polymers. So the first property of addition polymers is that the addition polymers are composed of such monomers which are actually unsaturated, or addition polymers are formed by such monomers which have multiple bonds. Multiple bonds means unsaturation. Just clear? Okay. So addition polymers have monomers that is actually unsaturated, or they have multiple bonds. So the second property that is related to addition polymer, the weight of polymer is integral multiple of monomer. Clear? So the weight of polymer is actually integral multiple of the monomer. For example, if the weight of 10 monomer is 100 gram, if the weight of 10 monomer is 100 gram, and when they form a polymer, so the weight of polymer will be 100 gram. So that this is called integral multiple. So if the weight of 20 monomer that combine to form a polymer by the addition way, so the weight of the polymer is actually integral multiple of the polymer weight. So for example, if the monomer weight, if 100 monomer combine, if or the weight of 100 monomer is 200 gram, so when they undergo chemical reaction by the addition way and form a long polymer, so the weight of the polymer which is formed by these monomer having weight 200 gram, when they form a polymer, this polymer weight will be also equal to 200 gram. So the polymer which is formed as a result of addition polymerization, so this polymer will have the weight equal to the sum of the weight of the monomer. Clear? Okay, so I want to go ahead. So the next property of the addition polymer is that no side product is formed, or you can also write as no elimination of atom or group of atom occur, no elimination of atom or group of atom occur. Clear? So for example, note this property, and I want to share practically. Okay, so now if we take an example, simple example, that is ethylene, so you know that this is alkene having multiple bond, that is double bond, and it is basically unsaturated in nature. When they combine with other units, suppose when n number of ethylene units combine, they form what? They form that CH2 and so on. Clear? So this is known as polyethylene. Clear? So here you can judge, here you can calculate. So if apply all 3 or 4 qualities to which I have explained or shared, that is, this is unsaturated, number 1, and also not any side product is formed. Clear? So addition reaction occur. So actually addition reaction is actually the identification property of the unsaturated compounds. Clear? So this is polyethylene, no side product is formed. Clear? So such type of polymer which are obtained by the addition reaction, this is addition reaction. Clear? We will inshallah discuss their mechanism, that how they undergo addition reactions. Clear? So these all will be stepwise. Okay, so another example, vinyl chloride. For example, this is a molecule of vinyl chloride. When n molecule of vinyl chloride combine, they form a long chain compound, that is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Clear? So 1 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That the valency disturbing here, if we judge here it, for example here, that is, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, clear. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, clear. So these are repeated as, okay. So by this mechanism, the polymer which are formed by this mechanism by the addition way is known as addition polymer. So here you can see no side product is formed, and you can also know that the sum of the weight of the sum of the monomer is equal to weight of the polymer. Clear? So now I want to go toward what? So there are more examples of such type of polymers, that is polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile. Suppose this is acrylonitrile. This is a acrylonitrile. When n compound of acrylonitrile combine, they form polyacrylonitrile as CH2 single bond CH CN and CH2 CH CN and so on. So this is polyacrylonitrile. So this is also formed by the addition way. Clear? So now I want to go toward the other type of polymer, that is what? That is condensation polymer. So you know that condensation reactions are actually such type of reactions where some side product is obtained. So condensation, polymerization or condensation polymers. Clear? So I want to explain condensation polymers with some basic properties. Number 1, weight of polymer. Weight of polymer is not equal to sum of the weight of monomer. Clear? Shortly, the sum of the weight of the polymer or the weight of the polymer is not equal to sum of the weight of the monomer. Clear? Why? For example, I want to explain this later. So weight of polymer is not equal to sum of the weight of the monomer. It means the weight of the polymer will be less than the sum of the weight of the monomer. Clear? Second, laws of small molecule occur during laws are elimination of small molecule or atom such as H2O, NH3, HCl, alcohol. Such small fragments are eliminated during the reaction. Clear? So for example, I want to explain this with the unique example. For example, this is a phenol, or actually this is a phenol. When this react with aldehyde by this way, suppose they form bakelite We will discuss their structure and cross-linking also, and n molecule of H2O is formed. So you know that this is a condensation process, this is a polymer, clear, and this is a side product or small molecule which is released during the formation of this polymer. Another example is hexamethyl amine. When hexamethyl amine react with adipic acid, this is hexamethyl amine. This is hexamethyl amine, and this is for example, this is adipic acid. Clear? Adipic acid. So when n molecule of hexamethyl amine react with adipic acid, what is formed? Polyamide or nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is formed. Nylon 6 is actually polyamide. Clear? Because amide linkage will be formed. So when hexamethylamine react with adipic acid, they formed nylon 6,6 or polyamide. By what type of process? By condensation process plus H2O. N molecule of H2O is also formed. This is a side product. It means in condensation process, side product or eliminatory product is formed, and also the sum of the weight of the monomer is greater than weight of the polymer. So it was about the difference between what condensation polymer and also addition polymer, or the classification of polymer on the basis of mode or mechanism, that how they form a long chain. So in the next lecture, in the next coming lecture, we will discuss some more classification, and then we will discuss addition polymer with detail, that how addition polymerization occur, anionic polymerization, cationic polymerization, free radical reactions, and how that is condensation polymer takes place, bakelite, nylon, and some more. So inshallah we will meet in the next coming lecture. Okay.